Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Maribel Belilisa. I am a 48 years old and I am happily married, blessed with 4 kids. My education attainment is a high school graduate and I have an experience abroad with 8 years. My first experience is in Dubai and I finished 4 years contract and that was last November 2012 to November 2016, and the other one is in Hong Kong. That was last January 2018 to January 2022. 4 years contract also, madam. Uh, I am a flexible, hardworking, obedient, trustworthy, cheerful, and I have an initiative to work without supervision. And if ever you choose me, ma'am, I will give my best to do all my duties and responsibilities, and I will do and follow all your rules and regulation. Thank you so much and have a nice day.